So we are going to do a quick attempt to see if we can get Divya used to her cough assist, which she's still terrified to do. But this is our new cough assist. Let's see, I'll come over here. You can see your face. Alright, you think you could do it?
I'm doing it on my leg.
Do you remember what you're supposed to do?
Yeah.
Can you, at least explain what you're supposed to do?
So, you're supposed to, I'm pretty sure I can breathe in a bit, breathe out a bit, and then it sucks out air, and then, yeah.
You put it in your mouth, and it blows air in, and then it sucks air out. And what's the reason it does that?
To take out...
You're supposed to have it in your mouth, not on your hands. It's supposed to help give you a stronger cough. To be very basic about it. It gives you a much stronger cough. So if you have anything in your chest and in your lungs, you can break it up easier if you have a stronger cough, right? Do it. Do it. Close your mouth. Put your mouth around it. Alright, what do you think tomorrow's the day? Yeah, you have to close your lips around it in order for it to do anything. You guys try it? I'm not sure how long we're going to play with it before you actually have to figure it out. Alright. Oh, and then you would be done. You're supposed to do it that whole time frame that it's on to help strengthen. Yep. You'd be done by now had you started. Alright. Say bye.
Bye, fellow citizens of the world.